Hey everybody, we have a westbound train approaching, so I hope all of you will enjoy this video with Mr. Canada National. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video here with me. And if you did, can you go thumbs up? Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel so they can come and check my channel out. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, hey, there's a subscribe button down below. Subscribe to me and check me out. I got plenty of train videos, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I pop up a train video, you will be notified about it. But this was filmed on Sunday, April 21st, 2024. Until my next video, they call me Mr. Canada National, and this stream video's over. Have a fantastic one. Take care. Thanks for watching.